The Music Copyright Society of Kenya, through its CEO, Dr. Ezekiel Mutua, has called on the government to address the issue of the miscellaneous amendment bill of the Copyright Act by the Kenya Copyright Board, KECOBO, which, according to him, is against the Constitution and the Berne Convention, to which Kenya is a signatory.
Our attention has been drawn to an insidious and outrageous maneuver by the Kenya Copyright Board, KECOBO, which has sneaked some amendments with far-reaching implications on copyright administration into the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendment Bill 2022.
While addressing members of the Fourth Estate, he highlighted on some of the issues being the need for a certificate of registration under the bill's Section 46, subsection 1, which, according to him, will take away the right of association by collective management organizations, CMOs, such as the Music Copyright Society of Kenya, MSCK, the Kenya Association of Music Producers, CAMP, and the Performers' Rights Society of Kenya, PRISC. B. Creation of an agency by KECOBO to collect revenue on behalf of artists. C. Increase of the number of directors that sit at MSCK from the existing 8 members to 12.
The amendments proposed by KECOBO through the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendment Bill 2022 only serve to undermine the proper administration of copyright by MSCK and other CMOs, namely the Kenya Association of Music Producers, CAMP, and the Performing Rights Society of Kenya, PRISC. Additionally, the proposed amendment will water down the gains provided by the Kenya Copyright Act as ascended into law by the President 2 months ago. Additionally, KECOBO has published proposed regulations on copyright registration that run counter to the Constitution of Kenya, which recognizes copyright as an automatic right that requires no registration or payment to be recognized. The said regulations are also an affront to the Berne Convention and other international conventions to which Kenya is a signatory. The proposed amendments by the Kenya Copyright Board, which have been mischievously sneaked into the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendment Bill 2022, would significantly affect and infringe on the fundamental rights, that's right to property and freedom of association of musicians in Kenya. The bill seeks to, among other things, introduce sweeping legislative changes to the operations of collective management organizations in general and MSCK in particular, and proposes the establishment of a state agency to administer copyright, contrary to the international practices and conventions to which Kenya is a signatory. Indeed, it's a very sad day for the music industry in Kenya and for the rights holders generally when a government regulator such as KECOBO decides to abuse legislative process to disenfranchise and infringe on constitutional guaranteed fundamental rights of musicians by systematically and meticulously continuing to amend in piecemeal sections of the Copyright Act that are critical to administration and management of exploitation of economic rights, that's royalties of right holders.
The MSCK chair also lauded some clauses of the Amendment Act, which he agreed were to benefit the artists.
Section 30A on equitable remuneration, this is a good one. It proposes the remuneration or introduces equitable remuneration for performers and others. This is a good provision which was struck out by a court of law. It has been brought back, and now we are embracing that one. Section 30B on blank tape levy, we are embracing that one. It's a good one. That's why I was saying our objection is not based on the specifics. It's based on the spirit that there was amendment. Otherwise, there are sections we agree with, and if we are invited to give our proposals, then now this is the way to go.
The Copyright Amendment Bill of 2021 was signed into law by the President a few months ago, which provides for a fair formula for sharing of revenue from ringback tunes between artists and copyright holders and the telecommunication companies. It has been a call of action by Dr. Ezekiel Mutua, who is the CEO of MSCK, alongside Peter Nyenze, who accompanied him in today's event, just to see and explain to the members of the MSCK as well as artists in general in regards to the changes that have happened in the KECOBO Amendment Proposal Bill. The question still remains, are artists still going to benefit from MCSK? For Venus TV, my name is Joy Maureen.